Hi there. I want to talk to you about natural plant care. I am so in love with plants lately, and maybe you are too. So let's talk about essential oils, my top 5 and a few extra for plant care, so you can naturally take care of your plants indoors and out. Okay, first up, you need peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is amazing to get rid of those pests. I have a peppermint oil spray that I keep handy for ants, for caterpillars that's getting on my bushes and my eating leaves, all those things. And here is a broad spectrum garden pest spray. I'm getting a lot of my recipes from this great book called Essentially Grown. I highly recommend it. And so 10 drops peppermint, 10 drops thyme, and 10 drops clove essential oil in a gallon of water, and spray that liberally all over your plants and around them. So you probably want to take notes because I'm going to have a lot of great ideas. Another great oil for plants is lavender. Of course, these are all great for humans too. But this can amend your soil, and it really benefits the growing conditions of your plants. Also, the scent of lavender really attracts butterflies. So I spray our plants with lavender to bring those butterflies around because we love them. Now, pollinators are important in your garden, right? So here's a pollinator spray with lavender. It has 12 drops lavender, 8 drops of rosemary, 5 drops of orange, and 5 drops of sage. And then you can put all of those on cotton balls or string, rags, or on something that can absorb the oils, and then it will bring the bees and butterflies to pollinate. Isn't that great? Now, another great thing with lavender combined with tea tree oil, it helps take away fungus naturally on your plants. So 10 drops lavender and 10 drops tea tree, and you can put that with about 6 ounces of water, with half of it neutral spirits such as finely distilled vodka. Okay, now I love Citrus Fresh for so many reasons. That could be a whole nother video, but Citrus Fresh is great for your leaves of your plants. So what you could do is get a soft cloth, get it wet, and then put a few drops of Citrus Fresh on the leaves to clean them, because they get dusty, they get little insects on there, and that can stunt their growth. Now, if you don't have Citrus Fresh, lemon is also nice too. And those leaves will grow healthy. Okay, I love Thieves for this time of the year because it smells like fall, and it's such an immune support, but also great for your plants. You can add a drop in the soil and it will help your plants grow. Another thing that you can do with this is, when I think of Thieves Household Cleaner. And what I've been doing, besides the Citrus Fresh on the leaves, is using the Thieves Household Cleaner right on my indoor plants and wiping them. They've been growing and being so healthy and shiny. And it smells great. And since it's almost October, after you carve your pumpkin, spray the inside of your pumpkin liberally with Thieves Household Cleaner, and it will preserve it longer. Isn't that cool? Yes. And another product from Thieves is the Thieves Veggie Soak. After I clean my vegetables and produce, I have a big basin of water, a big bowl. I put that in a pitcher and I water my plants with them. There are such great essential oils in here. And I'm reusing the water, so I'm not wasting water on my plants, and it really helps them grow. Okay, and talking about Thieves combined with tea tree oil, 10 drops of each in a 32-ounce spray bottle, can make a fungus spray. I've had some issues with some of my citrus trees and flower trees with fungus growing on them, and just putting that on as a spray bottle, it helps get that fungus away. The important thing is do it during the evening hours, because hot sun will really cook the leaves and burn the leaves. Okay, one last wonderful oil. We love this for the digestive support, Digise, but it's also great for your soil. It gets rid of all the toxins and pesticides. It is amazing for that. Young Living did an experiment a few years back. They sprayed some of their soil with the pesticides that's commonly used all over household yards, and I hope you're not using that, but the soil was saturated. Then they doused it with Digise 3 times, and guess what? No trace of the pesticides. So here is a soil spray for you. 30 drops of Digise in 32 ounces of water. Okay, and finally, Purification is my 6th oil, a little bit of a bonus one. I love freshly cut flowers, but adding some Purification in the water will make the flowers stay fresh longer. Cool, huh? Okay, finally, here's my bonus oils. I hate weeds, do you? It's a common problem in all gardens. So here is a natural weed killer because you don't want those terrible, you don't want to use Roundup, right? I hope you know how scary that is. Use natural instead. Better for you, your family, your pets, your kids. So here is the DIY you can do. In a glass spray bottle, put 20 ounces vinegar, 1 to 2 drops Castile soap or a natural dish soap, and 8 to 10 drops of any of these oils. Cinnamon bark, Palo Santo, pine, or oregano. And spray that on the weeds. Make sure you don't spray any plants that you want to keep, and then in a few days they'll be dead. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my top 5 or 6 essential oils. If you need these oils, I'd love to help you get started. These all come in a kit. So, happy gardening, happy plant care, and we'll see you soon.